Hey guys, it's Gina. Today I'm sharing with you a product that the brand sent over for me, and this is Sapo. It is a age-defining moisturizer with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. First, I always, when we're putting potions and lotions on our face, one of the first things I like to check out is the texture. This is, to me, more like a lotion. If you see, it's not a really heavy cream. It really is, to me, lighter weight and more like when I would think of like a lightweight body lotion. But we are going to put some of this on. It is a brand new product to me, so I haven't been using it, but I can tell you what it feels like when it goes on. It reminds me like not just a light, maybe a bridge between a lightweight lotion and something a little bit heavier. Almost like the difference of like you would think of a daytime moisturizer and a nighttime moisturizer. Sometimes those nighttime moisturizers are a little bit heavy, and that's what this feels like to me when I put it on. Now, scent-wise, I don't notice a strong fragrance about it. I do like that it has niacinamide and hyaluronic acid in it because I know that both of those are age-defying, and being a woman that's about to turn 60, I need all the help I can get. So I will say it does feel good on my face. I don't feel like it's certainly not leaving any kind of a greasy feeling or heavy. I almost feel like I could even put something else on top of this if I wanted to, and it wouldn't be too much on my face. So if you are looking for an age-defying moisturizer for your face, this is one that you might want to consider.